one who can direct the market. So today I'm going to start with my weekly analysis, but before that, let me give you the quote of the day. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trade. Money is secondary. As yesterday we lost NFP, we will recover our losses, we'll recover whatever that we lost in the market. As a trader, we don't lose money, we learn from our mistakes. As from the time we lost, we went to our market and dissect what's happening or why did we lose money. As we learned a big lesson in 2023, this is our first loss of our first fundamental. But regarding that, let's focus on the current situation as we are going to analyze it technically with impulse and correction. So for sure, most of you guys know that what is the chart pattern. On gold now we have a cup and handle pattern. We have a cup and handle pattern. So this is a bullish continuation pattern. The cup and handle confirms that the market will still go up as it is broken our handle. This was our handle. So now what's going to happen on gold, or what's going to happen? Gold is going to be bullish, very bullish. But if you want to scale in or you want to enter for more trade, you are looking for the scale of weight to be broken. And from there, once I said, then that's where I can scale in. As you can check here on the scenario, we had a breakout and gold gave us a return. We were supposed to enter here if you wanted to take this buy, and then the stop loss was going to be below this level. And so now we missed this trade because we were focusing on the continuation patterns. There was a lot that was happening. So now for us to enter for more buying opportunities, we'll wait for gold to break this current resistance and then come and retest this, and that's where we need to buy. Okay, and then thank you guys. Okay, I forgot something. Before I can forget something, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I will just like to give you 1 second, 1 minute for you to like and subscribe before I can continue. Right, for sure you have subscribed and liked the video and commented. If you appreciate, please share our videos. Then now let's continue with our next analysis. We are going to focus on our daily time frame on description, and then click the link, then you will find us. When things are coming from the higher time frame support. As you all know, I always tell people about the RCR formula. The RCR formula. Now we are on the continuation zone, which is the C section for continuation zone. We are coming from the support. Once we have the correction in the middle of the trend, then that's where we can enter or for scale in if you didn't take the reversal correction from the support. So whatever that we are going to do now with this, but if you want to enter on this trade, let me just zoom in so that you can find how are you going to be able to. This is an impulse and correction, impulse and correction. This is the most top rated pattern and this is there that we use on our daily basis. So we know that once the market gave us the first shot, which is the first impulse, then the market have to give us a correction, and then after the correction, the very same size of the previous impulse will happen, or the market will print it after that. So now, as we can say that we have the edge of what's going to happen. So now, how are you going to react on this? Because it already left us. So we are going to wait for it to break this current resistance and then come back again on this level, which is around 14942.30. That's where we're going to wait for our stay-in trade. For sure, it might give us another correction, but if it doesn't give us a correction, any breakout and retest is fine. Then we'll go from there. Okay. The next one is US30. The next one is US30. Let's go to US30, guys. Subscribe and comment for our channel. Here academy when people around the US30, remember 30 in direction. So, but lately, since from November 2022, I realized something that Nasdaq is behind. Like Nasdaq is so slow, it doesn't move the same as US30 and Germany. It's a little bit slower. So on US30, how are we going to react? How are we going to take our next trade? As you can see that we have broken this, which was the higher time frame correction. We are coming from the higher time frame impulse. At the overall direction, we are in an uptrend. So the market was inside this current continuation pattern, which was on the daily time frame. This was a daily time frame correction. Then from there we have impulse. I can say that this is a correction. We are coming from the impulse and correction, but here is the warning. I'm warning you. If you want to take US30 trade, just wait for it to break this level here, which is 34,368. Then once it gives us a breakout and retest on this level, that's where we can end it. For sure, for now, stay away from it. But you can see this is a nice breakout and retest of this current trend line. That was our correction trend line, meaning that it was a resistance, it was retested, then the market then go up. Again, as you can check, this is an area of confluence where two support meet. This was a resistance, it turned into a support, meaning that two support at the same time. This is an area of confluence where the market has to shoot. Okay, US30, we are very bullish, but we only buy at 34,968. 34,968 on US30. That's the only price where you can buy on US30. Okay, let's go to Nasdaq. In the video, guys, I'm going to give you a tip on how to analyze all the USD pairs, or any pair that has maybe sentimental before you can analyze it technically. As you can check, we are failing to break the higher time frame support. We are failing to break the higher time frame support as we are coming from the higher time frame impulse, which was a correction. The very same setup on US30 is similarly moves the same as what's happening here. So remember that on US30 we have already broken our current correction resistance, then the market gave us a retest, and we are about to go and enter around this level here. But on Nasdaq, as I told you that Nasdaq is a little bit behind, we are watching the V or the W shape here. So we can enter here and look for any reversal correction from this level. But for sure, at Book this is the man shouldn't know that we don't have to trade against the trend. That's why our slogan at Book is trend is your friend. So meaning that whatever that is happening, will only buy Nasdaq once we have broken our current resistance. That's the time we can buy Nasdaq. As long as it's still inside this current bearish correction or a bearish downtrend, we are not going to do anything. We are going to stay away from Nasdaq because of mostly we see some patterns doing something here on Nasdaq. I can show you an impulse and a correction. You are waiting for an impulse. So that's why I'm saying that you don't have to enter inside the trend. You don't have to trade against the trend. If ever you are buying here, it's going to be a suicide vision. So wait for a breakout of the current correction resistance, then from there that's where you can buy. But if ever, as long as the market is still playing inside this channel, please, I'm begging you, stay away from Nasdaq, or else if you follow the trend, you sell. Okay, thank you guys. So now let's go to the mother of all currency pairs, the mother of all USD. If you are trading Nasdaq, your indices, and then for any currency pair that you have USD inside, you have to come to the mother of all USD pairs, which is UX1. Meaning that when you are analyzing UX1, you are analyzing the dollar strength alone. Meaning that if the dollar is going down, meaning that Nasdaq, your indices will go up. Why? The reason is because of if the dollar is getting low, is getting cheaper, or is getting weak, meaning that everyone will afford to do the transaction on all those companies that are in Nasdaq, US30 and Germany. For example, all the indices and stocks will go up because everyone will afford to do the transaction or to buy whatever they want to buy. So if Nasdaq is going up, that's why it's getting expensive for us to buy whatever that is inside Nasdaq companies. So that's why Nasdaq will go down once the index is going up. So on this current situation, I can see something which is a banger in 2023, which is a banger. So what's happening on the DXY? It is a direction for all USD pairs. It is a direction for all USD pairs. What's going to happen? So okay, on the DXY we were in an uptrend. The uptrend was broken with an impulse, and then now we have a sloping channel that is facing down. And then when we zoom in on this level, we had a breakout and retest. Actually guys, I didn't believe that whatever that is happening in the market, I thought that NFP will push this, will reverse from here, but currently that didn't happen. So what are we going to do, or what's going to happen from here? The index is going down, guys, meaning that all USD pairs, the dollar is going to use. We have to buy everything: the gold, the Nasdaq, the US30, everything, meaning that we are in a good position. What can I say? Is it a USD recession? Wow, let's see guys, let's see. So now on the USD, this is the breakout and retest of this level, meaning that we're going to go down. So if we focus on the 90% rule of the structure, so wow, is it a recession on USD? I'm anticipating that DXY will go around 92.00. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is your boy Market Director. For more content, we are coming with the currencies, as this video was only for indices. Thank you for watching until this far. Please don't forget to smash the like button and then subscribe if you appreciate for more content like this. Thank you guys.